we're so close.
Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos y
Well, this is our first time here on the flight. We just come in last night.
I'm so excited.
I'm excited! Ah! Now before I shove into maximum overdrive!
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
Oh, we're going!
Here we go.
I hope. I'm so alive! Weezy, I love you!
Everybody ready to sing along?
You got a friend in me.
Weezy's the goat.
You got a friend in me.
So much fun. Now please stay seated till we come to.
So that was Slinky Dog Dash. It was fun.
Yeah, it was.
I had a lot of fun on that ride. You know, the speed of it was a concern. It looked a little kiddie, but I loved it. It was a blast. The theming was awesome. This part right here, the like go 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 part and the fire part, I really loved. Hopefully we get to do that at night because we heard that was pretty awesome.
Also, if you look like right in this area where these hills are, it's almost like a spring effect, like we rode in the middle. So I really like the detail there. The detail in the queue was just amazing. Like you said earlier, there's not really even an inch of the queue or ride area that's not themed well. So just overall, really enjoyed it. That was great.
Alright, so that was Slinky Dog. Swirling Saucers is up next.
Yep.